Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the Boolean algebra from chapter 2 logic gates and logic families from subject digital techniques 22320. We have already studied about the different Boolean laws in the last video, that is OR law and law not law, commutative law, associative law, distributive law, absorptive law and De Morgan's law. So now today we are going to apply all these laws to the given Boolean equation to reduce it. So we'll start with the first example. So example here is the first bracket you are having A and B plus C, and the second bracket you are having A and B plus D, that is equal to A and B plus C and D. So here left hand side we are going to solve first, and the left hand side, whatever equation you see in the brackets, this is one form of Boolean equation, and in the right hand side you can see a equation in the bracket, it is another form of Boolean equations. So there are two different types of Boolean equations which exist in digital circuit that we will be studying in chapter 3 later on. So now first we will study about how to apply the Boolean laws in this equation. It is same like your maths. In maths, if you remember, whenever there are brackets, you are going to open the brackets. So here also in the left hand side, first we will start with the left hand side to open the brackets. So when you will open the brackets, so first bracket you are having A dot B plus C. So first A dot B will be multiplied, here it will be ANDed. So multiply to the second bracket. So that second bracket is AB plus D. So multiply AB to AB plus D. So when you will multiply that, you will get AB dot AB plus AB dot D. And the second thing is, in the first bracket you are having second variable is C, that you are going to multiply with the second bracket to open it. So that becomes, when you will open it, it will be like this, plus C dot A dot B plus C dot D. So this is the step 1. The very first thing is, if there are brackets, you are going to open the brackets as per your maths rule here. But you remember, your dot is nothing but your AND gate and plus is nothing but your OR gate. So after opening the brackets, you will apply all the laws so that it will get reduced. You are having all different laws. So here in the first step, it is just see AB dot AB. So AB dot AB is repeated twice. You remember the AND law, A dot A is equal to A. So here instead of A you are having AB, which is repeated twice. So you are going to write once. So that is AB. The second thing, second literal is AB dot D. Now here nothing can be done, so it is written as it is, AB dot D. Then next is C dot AB. So here it is again written ABC. So here all the inputs CAB is again arranged in the proper way. So it becomes ABC. It is the use of commutative law. If you remember the commutative law, it is written in the first bracket, if you are having A dot B bracket close dot C is equal to, in this is equal to A dot bracket B dot C. So here we have to arrange all the inputs in the alphabetical order, and last one is CD. Now in this again, if you check, the AB is common with the second literal AB plus AB plus D. In this, AB is common. So AB is taken out, and in the bracket you have 1 plus D. And then the next literals, that is ABC plus CD, is written as it is. And you know the law, 1 plus A is equal to 1. So that is applied here. So that there it was A, here it is 1 plus D. 1 plus any variable is always equal to 1. We have done this law in OR law. So AB remains as it is. AB into 1 is always 1. So in the next step you are having AB plus ABC plus CD. Then again we are going to find out the common thing. So here you can check, AB is taken out, and in the bracket you have 1 plus C, and the CD is written as it is. Then 1 plus anything is always 1, so that becomes AB plus CD, and this is the final answer you got, that is equal to right hand side. Now here is the example number 2. You can check, the equation is like this: x plus y the whole bar, bracket closed, into z, that is and with z, plus x and y bar is equal to y bar and with bracket opening, then x or with z, bracket closed. So left hand side and right hand side you have to prove. So we'll start with the left hand side. So whenever there is a question like this, like x plus y the whole bar, whenever it is like this, then you have to apply De Morgan's theorem only. So here we are going to apply the De Morgan's theorem. We are going to take left hand side, x plus y the whole bar and with z, plus x and with y bar. So after applying De Morgan's theorem to x plus y the whole bar, you get x bar dot y bar and z as it is, plus x y bar. In the next step we are going to take common, that is y bar. So when you take y bar as common, in the bracket you get x bar plus x bar z. Then in the next step what we are going to do is we are going to apply one distributive law here. So in that, y bar as it is we have kept. The next step is x plus x bar in one bracket and second x plus z in the second bracket. And you remember the OR law. In OR law it is written a plus a bar is equal to always 1. So here instead of a you are having x. So x plus x bar is equal to 1. And 1 multiplied with the bracket of x plus z is x plus z. And you get the right hand side, that is y bar bracket x plus z. Now this is next example number 3. X plus x bar dot y is equal to x plus y. So we'll take left hand side, x plus x y. So in this, when you will start solving, you are going to apply a distributive law. So x plus x in one bracket and second x plus y in second bracket. X plus x, if you remember, that is 1. Sorry. So now here x plus x bar y is equal to, we are going to apply the distributive law. So in the first bracket x plus x bar and in the second bracket x plus y. And as you know that x bar plus x is equal to 1 using OR law. So substituting that 1 here in the bracket x plus y as it is, and 1 and with anything is always the rest of the variable, that is 1 and with bracket x plus y is equal to x plus y. So 1 into anything is always 1 into a is equal to a. So therefore here 1 into x plus y is equal to x plus y, and this is how you get right hand side.